Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these miniature coin dispensers. And quick heads up, these coins are Filipino currency of a 5 cent coins. Let me show you one of these, if I can put it on the lens. Yeah, one of these things. Those are the only things I can fit through a 1x2 piece plate. And please enjoy this video. Okay guys, so we're back in this view now on my bed, and this is how you start it off. First you need a 4x6 flat piece, or whatever you call this thing. This is a 4x6 piece, and you need one of these 2x4 pieces. Put it on top. Then you need one of these ramps that are 2 block pieces. Put it on there. Then after that, you scale your way up to the top on what's your piece. Okay, so you have to scale. After scaling it up, wait. Okay, let me just scale it up, and yeah. After scaling it up, you have to scale it up for at least 3 pieces like this. Okay, if I can put this on together. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Then after that, you have to put a flat piece that will make a hole for a 2x2 piece hole go through here, so that it enters through there. Then you have to put ridges right here so that it covers up this hole right there. Put it that, then that. Then you have to continue along so that it's all flat. Yes, like that. Does the same thing here. Then for the first one, you have to put a flat piece on the end right here in the middle, where just about the hole goes. Then you need to fill in these 2 pieces so that there is a flat piece on either side. Then you already see this coming. You have to scale the pieces up. Then you have to make one of these pieces. That's the piece you need. You need a one stud, a 1x4 piece, and a 1x3 piece. Oops. Then you have to flatten this space up. You specifically need this ramp there to stop it from going too far. Then you have to flatten it out. Then you have to place it on this specific area right there. Then you fill it up. Okay, and this is why you need the ramp for, so that it doesn't go too far. The ramp acts like a stopper. It can't go any further, and this is what's supposed to appear on the back, so you can push it back in. Then you fill it back up. And there you have it. Then you have to put the currency. Then after that, you have to make your mini credit card. It's a 2x3 piece, and I put a ramp here so that it only goes through a certain limit. Then you have to top it off with another 4x6 piece, and there we go. It looks like it kind of looks like a puzzle box because you can't see where you're supposed to stick it in, but yeah. And this is where the hand comes in handy. You push it in, if I can push it in correctly. There we go. And I pull it in. I think there's some malfunction in the system. Okay guys, I fixed the malfunction and it should work properly. I don't know. Oh, and there we have it. Oh, and there goes another one. Oh, and there goes all 4. I removed 1 piece because of a glitching system. And there goes my credit card. Well, that's my tutorial on how to make your own mini Lego coin dispenser. You can't remake it. Okay. Well, Bye!